The year is 2025. All around the world, people are looking up to the sky. They are reporting strange lights, unexplained objects, and encounters with things they cannot explain. Are we alone in the universe? This question, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is now being asked in newsrooms, government offices, and living rooms around the world. For decades, the topic of UFOs was met with skepticism and ridicule. Governments dismissed sightings as hoaxes or misidentifications. But something has changed. A wave of new evidence coupled with a newfound openness from government agencies has pushed the issue of UFOs into the mainstream. We are witnessing a surge in UFO sightings unlike anything seen before. From the bustling cities of the United States to the remote deserts of Australia, reports of unexplained aerial phenomena are flooding in. These reports come from credible witnesses, pilots, police officers, military personnel, people trained to observe and report accurately. This isn't just about blurry photos or grainy videos taken on shaky cell phones. This is about a global phenomenon that is challenging our assumptions about what exists beyond our planet. Perhaps the most significant development in the recent surge of UFO interest has been the change in attitude from the United States government. For years, the Pentagon downplayed the significance of UFO sightings. Reports were often dismissed as classified military technology or natural phenomena. But in recent years, there has been a dramatic shift in policy. In 2020, the Pentagon released 3 videos taken by Navy pilots that showed unidentified aerial phenomena exhibiting flight capabilities that seemed impossible. These videos, along with pressure from lawmakers and the public, led to the creation of a dedicated office within the Department of Defense to investigate UFO sightings. The creation of this office was a watershed moment, signaling that the government was finally taking the issue seriously. The Pentagon's newfound transparency has only fueled public interest in UFOs. No longer able to dismiss sightings as the stuff of conspiracy theories, the government is now acknowledging that there are objects in our airspace that we cannot identify. This acknowledgement, while significant, has only raised more questions than it has answered. The heart of the UFO phenomenon lies in the countless eyewitness accounts from people all over the world. These are not just stories, they are first-hand experiences that have left a lasting impact on those who have encountered the unknown. Take, for example, the testimony of commercial pilots who have reported seeing strange, fast-moving objects during flights. These are trained professionals accustomed to identifying all sorts of aircraft, yet they are left baffled by what they have seen. In 2024, a private air service crew flying over the Bahamas encountered a glowing, spherical object that appeared to change color as they watched. They tracked the object for nearly an hour, capturing video footage that has puzzled experts. This is just one of many recent cases where experienced observers have been left wondering what they encountered in the skies. Then there are the reports from military pilots who have engaged in close encounters with these unidentified craft. Some have described objects performing maneuvers that defy our understanding of physics, moving at incredible speeds and changing direction with impossible agility. The consistency of these accounts, coming from diverse witnesses across different cultures and professions, is striking. The sheer volume and detail of these eyewitness testimonies paint a compelling picture. Something extraordinary is happening in our skies. In the age of smartphones and social media, everyone is a potential UFO hunter. The internet is awash in videos of strange lights and unidentified objects. Many are hoaxes or natural phenomena, but some remain unexplained. A news tower camera in Fresno captured a bright light in early 2025. The light moved in ways that defied conventional explanations. Experts ruled out drones, planes, or weather balloons. 2 pilots reported seeing a similar object days later. These videos have impacted public perception of UFOs. Some are skeptical, but many find them compelling evidence. The ease of sharing online has created a global UFO community. It's important to approach these videos with skepticism. Section 5. The Quest for Scientific Proof. While eyewitness accounts and viral videos have brought the UFO phenomenon to the forefront, the scientific community remains cautious. Proving the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence requires more than anecdotal evidence. It demands rigorous scientific analysis and verifiable data. One of the primary challenges in studying UFOs is the lack of reliable data. Sightings are often fleeting and unpredictable, making it difficult to gather scientific measurements. Furthermore, much of the available data, such as radar readings and pilot testimonies, are considered classified information, making it difficult for independent researchers to access. However, the scientific community is not ignoring the issue entirely. Organizations like the Mutual UFO Network, or MUFON, are dedicated to investigating UFO sightings and collecting data in a systematic and scientific manner. They analyze witness reports, photographs, and videos attempting to separate genuine anomalies from hoaxes and misidentifications. Some scientists are calling for a more coordinated global effort to study UFOs. They believe that unlocking the secrets of UFOs could lead to breakthroughs in physics, propulsion systems, and our understanding of the universe itself. Section 6, Government Transparency, a Turning Point. One of the most significant developments in recent years has been the increasing transparency from governments around the world regarding UFOs. For decades, the topic was shrouded in secrecy, with governments often dismissing sightings as national security concerns or simply refusing to acknowledge their existence. However, the tide seems to be turning. In 2021, the United States government released a landmark report on unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAP, acknowledging that there are objects in our airspace that we cannot identify. The report, while inconclusive, marked a significant shift in policy, suggesting a newfound willingness to engage with the issue openly. This increased transparency has been driven in part by pressure from the public, who are increasingly demanding answers about what governments know about UFOs. Lawmakers in the United States and other countries have held hearings on the topic, questioning intelligence officials and military personnel about their experiences with UAPs. Section 7. A Universe of Possibilities. The surge in UFO sightings and the increasing openness from governments have sparked a renewed sense of wonder and curiosity about our place in the cosmos. For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and wondered if we are alone in the universe. Now, more than ever, it seems possible that we are not. The implications of confirmed extraterrestrial contact would be profound, touching on every aspect of our lives, from our understanding of science and technology to our philosophies about religion and the nature of existence. Some believe that contact with extraterrestrial civilizations could usher in a new era of peace and cooperation on Earth. Others fear that it could lead to conflict or even the exploitation of our planet. What is clear is that the UFO phenomenon is not going away. As technology advances and our ability to observe the skies improves, we are likely to encounter even more unexplained phenomena. How we choose to respond to these encounters will shape our future in profound ways. Section 8. The Search for Meaning, Our Place in the Cosmos. The resurgence of interest in UFOs is more than just a fascination with the unknown. It reflects a deeper yearning to understand our place in the cosmos. For millennia, humans have gazed up at the stars, pondering the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. The possibility of extraterrestrial life, once confined to the realm of mythology and science fiction, is now a topic of serious discussion, prompting us to reevaluate our assumptions about who we are and what else might be out there. The sheer scale and grandeur of the universe can be both humbling and awe-inspiring. We are but a tiny speck of dust in a vast cosmic ocean, and the realization of our insignificance can be both liberating and unsettling. If we are not alone, if there are other intelligent beings out there, what does that mean for our understanding of ourselves and our place in the grand scheme of things? The search for extraterrestrial life is ultimately a search for meaning. It is a quest to understand our origins, our purpose, and our connection to the universe around us. The UFO phenomenon, regardless of whether it ultimately proves to be of extraterrestrial origin, forces us to confront these fundamental questions. Section 9. Conclusion. A Future Filled with Wonder. We stand at the precipice of a new era of discovery, an era where the boundaries of our knowledge are being pushed further than ever before. The surge in UFO sightings, the increasing government transparency, and the advancements in technology have all converged to create a climate of unprecedented interest in the possibility of extraterrestrial life. While definitive proof remains elusive, the evidence, both anecdotal and scientific, is mounting, suggesting that we may not be alone in the universe. The future is filled with both uncertainty and wonder. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we are bound to encounter new mysteries, new challenges, and perhaps even new forms of life. How we choose to respond to these encounters will define us as a species. Will we approach the unknown with fear and suspicion, or with curiosity and a desire to learn? The UFO phenomenon is a reminder that there is still so much we don't know about the universe we live in. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of discovery, not just of space, but of ourselves.